just get started with the buffer here, right? What's Python and all before we can like even get started with the main course. Okay, so before everything, like before even we get started with the course, let's talk about why Python, right? Why we are focusing in 2025, right? Right? Why Python? Does anyone have any relevance, like why Python is important in 2025? Do you have any idea where it is implemented and all? Yeah, feel free. Answer.
So recently the trend is automation, and Python is more reliable for using automation tools. That's why it is popular, or it may
Okay,
need in 2025.
great. First is automation, correct? Okay,
And
next,
it's the easiest language comparing to other programming languages to learn and to work on.
simple to use, or let's go with simple to learn and use. Right? This is where this course comes into picture. Right? It's a 4-week course. We have 10 sessions. I know 4 into 2, it comes up to 8. Why 2 more sessions? Because we are also doing assessments, and there will be a live project on this one, right? Projects could be like do a repo fetch, do some ETL activity, data conventions, right? Rules are a name cannot start with a digit, right? 0, A, B, C. So we cannot declare a variable with starting with 0. Okay, now that's a rule. Now convention says key. Okay, we can write a variable name as a capital ABC, but it's better to use proper structures here. So if we are using some NGO or some kind of synonyms or acronyms, right? Those can be like written in this format. But what if we are writing is a combination of two words, right? For example, let me tell first name. Now this is correct, right? This is a very correct like a variable name as per the rules. But as per conventions, they will also always ask you instead of space use a like a use like a subspace kind of thing, right? I forgot what to call this one, but so
Underscore.
underscore, correct. So thanks for paying attention. I thought I was just speaking to myself. So this is basically like instead of using space, underscore makes more sense. So these are not the rules, but it's a basic conventions, right? Conventions. Comment is something which can be integrated to any tools, whichever has
Okay.
an API, right? Whichever has some level of logic, right? Python can do basically anything in that. See, Python can work on a system level as well. We can do OS file handling, right? We can do OS Windows updates automation using Python, right? Let me know if you want to look into that, but it's pretty risky. I will be using VMs, but if you try it and perform it on your own system, it might go bad, right? You can do like everything that you can imagine using Python. It might not be optimized at that period of time, but if you optimize it further, it will work even faster and more efficiently.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Python is very good, man. Seriously, it's very easy to learn. You can search for modules anywhere outside, right? You can like it's very easy to handle as well. No high rocket science is required. And if one particular module is not working, for example, I'm using something for JSON parsing, right? If it is not working, then you can simply use another one. There are a lot of competition in terms of modules. बहुत सारे मॉड्यूल्स है. Just for API parsing, we have like 70 to 80 modules. You can like go into anything like pipe has some.